At the beginning, they were very nervous and very uneasy, but after we kept talking and talking with them, and we get to hug them, and it was amazing.
My significant barrier was accomplished. I'm able to connect with women now.
I would say this was probably the most results-driven boot camp I've ever taken.
Just do it.
Lance just approached 10 girls in the pool and made them copy him.
What else in your life will potentially change the outcome of your relationships or your ability to get into satisfying, intimate relationships with women? Just do it. You've succeeded in all those other areas of your life through years and years of practice and work. Come, get the coaching, and change the way that you can feel about the abundance possibilities you have to connect with women.
This boot camp was awesome, and multiple phone numbers, multiple dates.
I definitely grew because being just with all the guys and seeing them grow motivated me to grow with them.
I would say save your money and do it because it'll change your life.